Morning to all. Today we are going to develop a program for load test on DC shunt motor. Already, as electrical engineers, we have an experience how to do the load test in lab. Okay. Then what are the parameters we are measured, and finally what we are going to get. Okay, that is a performance characteristics only, right? So right now here, by using Python, how to execute, okay, load test on DC motor, how to estimate what's called a torque, efficiency, output power, BHP value, everything. Okay, right. So my motto is how to effectively use, how to understand the Python to apply uh, electrical problem, right? So here I started with one what's called a uh, Python library, what's called a NumPy library, pandas, matplot. We have a lot of library now. So here one more new module followed by new class I'm going to discuss with you. First one thing, see, from tablet import tablet. So this is why I'm importing here. At the end of this program, I'm going to make a one small table. Okay. So to tablet, I'm import from tablet, import tablet. Okay. What is the meaning of that? First, the import is in program point of view, we called as a keyword. Okay, it is used to import the specific module from scikit-learn library. Then tablet is represents the module. It is a module which is providing table formatting functions. What are the functions that which is used to table formatting, which is already predefined here. Okay, then what is the import? Import is a keyword in this program. It is used to bring in specific functions, classes, and variable from the model related to the table. Some other program, some other things. Okay. Then tablet. It is called as a here. What's called a class. So what is the purpose? It is used to make a structure and format the table. Okay. So if you want to for explanation, just read this part. You can understand what purpose from tablet import and tablet. Okay, tablet, right? So here you got to see, instead of that we can use pip install also. So here I'm not using pip install here, right? Okay, now my motto is I want to do what's called um, load test, am I right? So in that already we know voltmeter is considered parallel with the loader. Okay, so that voltage is constant, but resistance R is also constant. This resistance belongs to fully radius of the brake drum. Okay, right. So these two constant assigned to V is equal to 20, R is equal to 0.5. Then followed by I am simulated here 10 readings. What are the readings? What's called while we are doing the load test, we are measuring current, speed, spring balance, voltage already predefined. Okay, right. So here I am making what's called, this is a data types is called as a tuple data types. Okay, so this two bracket is represents the square bracket. Okay, it is represents the what's called it making list. Okay, so tuple within the list, that is the data types. Okay, so first column, this is represents the current. Okay, just start from 0 to 5, then speed, then followed by spring balance S1 minus S2. Okay, with the help of these all the reading, what are things that we are going to measure? First one, what's called torque, then followed by output power, then followed by what's called efficiency. Okay, the how you do that is we are going to discuss here. Okay, so this and all which is used to store the values. Okay, so here it is called as an empty list. These lists are which is used to store these values. Okay, So we now what is the purpose? We have declared the list in consecutive steps. Okay, just wait. So this list is which is used to store complete list, okay, complete results. In other word, so it is used to particular what's called parameter only: PHP, efficiency, torque, speed, current. But result which is used to store this complete list. Okay, now come back. Here I'm making one for loop. Okay. Here usually for loop we have an experience here only one variable. Here using multiple variable 1, 2, 3, 4 variable. Okay, we are taken in readings. Why? Because of it's stored in readings only. So how it is working? For first iteration, it will collect this all the values. Okay, how it is collected? This all the values together. First iteration 0, 1500, 0, 0 only. Second iteration 1, 2 like that. Okay, so like this each and every iteration it is collecting input. Then we have to estimate the force. But how to estimate the force? It is difference between the spring balance S1 minus S2 into 9.81, which is references the what's called force, gravitational force. Okay, right. Then force is estimated. Then torque how to find? Torque formula is force into radius, breakdown arrangements. Okay, that radius then already we find, so torque is over. Then output power formula is 2 pi n t by 60. Okay, 2 by n t divided by 60, that formula here. Then input power v into I, already we know. Okay, input power v into I. Then efficiency output by input into 100. Okay, efficiency we can estimate here. So up to that, that's nothing. But here one small adjustment is there. What is the adjustment you got to see? If input power not equal to 0, else is 0. Okay, why I am making this condition? To avoid non-zero conditions. Why? What the first reading input power is 0. So efficiency output by input, then automatically it leads to what's called infinity. To avoid that issue, okay, here we are using input. If input power not equal to 0, that command. Okay, it is used to maintain not equal to 0. Whenever our input power is not equal to 0, not a problem. If equal to 0, it make a value as 0. Okay, now then the graph will be start from 0. Otherwise it is make a complex. Okay, then PHP output by 746. Right, so we are estimating all the required things. Then already we created here empty list. Okay, those lists we have to feed this corresponding values. See, by using dot append command, just for the all the values to PHP, efficiency, torque, speed and current. So all the values are if we are pouring over here. Then we create here result dot append. Okay, so result dot appends, it is appending all the values belongs to what's called previous executions. So what are the value? We are appending b I n s1 s2. Okay, then see, then torque, right, 0.2f followed by output power 0.2f. 2f is represents the decimal value. Okay, then PHP efficiency. Okay, so all the values are we are appending to the results. How it is appending? First iteration b is equal to 20, I is 0, n is 1500, s1 is 0, s2 is 0. Then corresponding what is the torque, what is output power, what is efficiency, everything comes over here. How it was coming? See, each and every iteration from itself to take the reading passing over here, it is make a table. Right, come back to it's a for loop, it's over. Then come back, print the results. Header we are creating. What are the headers needed? Voltage, current, speed, swing balance, torque, everything. What is the header? Header of the table. Okay, we are creating header of the table. Then come back, final printing tablet. It is a predefined function. Already we are, that's way we are here calling tablet. Same tablet here we have to call, right? Then within the parenthesis should mention what are the parameters comes results. Results means this all appended value. Then comma, second argument is represents the header. Third argument is represents how it is formatted. So grid should be comes. Okay, understand? So we are going to print the results. Just run the program. So it will first time running, so it will take a time to run. right? We should check whether net is there or not. Yeah, it will be directly done. Okay, scroll down from tablet. We are then PHP efficiency, torque, speed, current. Okay, result for I and S1, S2 readings. Okay, right. So it is a continuous running. And now we see the output, how it is look like. It look like a table. See, voltage, current, speed. Voltage is current, how it's vary. Speed is 1500 to 1300. Then S1, S2, torque value, output power, PHP, efficiency. Okay. So as per expectation is the zero non-zero condition is satisfied. Okay, there is no issue. PHP value estimated efficiency up to 81. Okay, so everything has a meaning with the help of what's called this command only. The grid is forming, right? Okay, result is complete result. Then header is coming due to this command. Okay, is header, right? It is over. Compared to next to what you want to do, we should to see the result. For this case, we are importing matplot pyplot library. Okay, matplot library in that pyplot as the PLT for future purpose. Here we have what's called four subplats, so that we should make a subplat. For this case, pick comma x. Okay, this is the object. In that pick is the object. Okay, which is why what is the purpose it is using. Okay, uh, yeah, it is used to create an object. Okay, it is used to create an object, right? Then followed by axis represents the array of axes. Okay, it is used to make an array of axes. So this figure it is make a empty canvas. Okay, then it is used to make an array of axes of subplat. Okay, each and every subplat. Now come back to first subplat. Subplot number 1, which is between PHP versus what's called efficiency. Okay, PHP versus efficiency. How it is making? Very simple command. Here you got to see. Will come to the first plat. Okay, axis 0, comma 0. Okay, just a minute. I will check the net connection. Right. Come back here, subplot 1 PHP versus efficiency, right? So here axis, okay, it is axis we have to call 0, comma 0. That means, okay, so you take this complete window. In complete window, you divide like this. Okay, it is divide like this. So this is comes center 0, comma 0. It is comes center 0, comma 1. It is 1, comma 0. It is 0, comma 0. Sorry, 1, comma 0. Here 1, comma 1. Understand why it is like this only? Okay, come back here. Here we are making axis 0, comma 0 at the moment. Dot plot we are calling dot plot. So what are the argument? PHP efficiency. It is reference x. It is y. Then how it is look like? Wherever point is comes, O is comes, that line. Okay, the color is blue. Okay, we can use any other colors. Then it is a label. Usually plot PLT dot label only we are using here. Set underscore x label. So x axis label, y axis label, title, grid. Okay, it's a one plot, right? So then next plot. So you got to see here every axis 0, comma 0. Second plot is 0, comma 1. Okay, remaining all are as it is. So 0, comma 1 if you are putting, the plot is PHP, comma torque. Here we are using in between PHP, comma efficiency, PHP, comma torque. So S is a simple we are using dot line only. Color is green color, right? Here also then compared to PHP versus speed. Okay, here speed we are using, this is a simple. Here it's a red, right? Then set to true. Then followed by PHP versus current. Okay, so all the parameters, all the four plots are we are drawn. Okay, each and every plot is axis is AC 0, comma 0 faxon. Second one thing 0, comma 1. Third one is 1, comma 0. Fourth one is 1, comma 1. Okay, so the record lab is formed. It is says that is a failure, so we should run one more time. the program. Okay, right. Right, it is running. Wait. Okay, come back here. So up to now we created table followed by what's called that efficiency also. Okay, that part is over. Right. So next part, what is the next part? Next part is flat also. It's over. Just a minute. We'll start out this net connection. Just a few minutes. It will take to resolve. Once it is resolved. Okay, it is running. Just a minute. Just take a few minutes. Okay. Small interruption. So within a few minutes, it can overcome. Right. Okay. Okay. Right. So next video I will show remaining part. Remaining part means regarding to the WhatsApp visualization. So like that, you can develop your own program by using this what's called simple command. You can learn. Okay, just a minute. With a small interruption. Okay.